All right, guys, I just want to do a quick review on my new monitor light. It's going to be like an unboxing slash review. I kind of just got it in. Can't wait to set it up here. Sometimes when I'm recording videos, like this general area, I work from home, can get a little dark. So can't wait to see what this does. So let's look it up and see what we got. So you get, it's only one. Okay, cool. User manual there. Looks like these are some stickers like to hold it down maybe. And then the actual light monitor itself looks very, very cool. Looks like a very simple install. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, so very, very simple install. I'm actually gonna take it off real quick just so you can see some of the cool features that I noticed as I was installing it. So you don't have to worry about it damaging anything. It's got like a little rubber stopper here as well as right here. And it's designed to fit probably majority, if not all of them, because this will go as far back as that much, and then you just screw it up to whatever size and comfort you can on your monitor. So for mine, I did have to go quite a bit. And then you just screw it back in until it's nice and snug, like that. Okay. Perfect. And then I'll go ahead and hook it up in the back of the computer and then see how it looks. And just so we're on the same page, it's just a regular Type-C connection, so that way it gets power. All right, so let's fire it up. Whoa, very nice. So I mean, you could just tell from the video how much brighter it actually got. So let's see. It's got different tones on it. I believe it's got 5 tones. Yeah, so 5 color modes and brightness dimming as well. So I mean, if it's like too much, let's see. Let's lower it just. Ooh, I like that. See, I'm gonna lower it all the way. So I think that's all the way, and then let's brighten it up all the way. So very, very nice. This is definitely gonna stay here. If you guys do any kind of work online, whether it's through like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, or just do YouTube channels like myself or reviews like this is going to be a definite keeper. So if you're looking for an awesome light, highly recommend this one, a 10 out of 10.